Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tool. In this video, today I am going to talking about Adobe, and you all are really need this software. I think many of us use crack version or team version of Adobe. Today I am going to show you enterprise subscription of Adobe. You will got Adobe enterprise subscription for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, even full 1 year if you take from me. And now I am going to showing you that how can you get this Adobe enterprise subscription on your own mail. Here I have got this mail, and after taking from the Adobe on your mail, you will got this email to in your email box. And now you have to do this work first. First of all, go to here, then go this email, then here is the email will be. And after you getting this message, if you have already an account of in Adobe, then you just need to click here get started, and Adobe will automatically go to the account of plan, so it will directly go in the account. And this is our account, and here is all the apps you can download them also. Then no need to limitation for 1 month you can use them unlimited and use your performance. And now you have to switch your profile. This is the switch profile creative canvas, and this is the institute for enterprise. If you go there, you will got the enterprise subscription, and here we are already in this plan on now. Then now we will go for the plans. You have where you can show that you have in a plan. Let's see, this is the Adobe for enterprise, and your account is now in enterprise. Your plan from there you have to choose your account. And this is your plan. And your plan currently is Adobe for Enterprise Creative Canvas. So this you can use this for 1 month, 6 months, even though 1 year if you need this type of storage account. And here this is also have 1 terabyte storage. If you need this type of account, you can contact with us. This will be helpful for you. All of them avoiding the team plan or avoiding the fake crack versions. Use them, and thank you for watching.